So many of us are very familiar with the traditional condom. Not as many people are aware of the internal condom. So what this is this actually goes inside of the hole, whether it is anal or vaginal, instead of going on the penis. When we open the package, we see that the internal condom is made up of 2 rings with a sheath of latex between it. The ring inside is smaller and firmer. The ring outside is larger with a bit more give. Now this is inserted whether it's in the vagina or if it's in the anus. And this allows a person to have the condom on ahead of time before their partner shows up. It can allow wonderful protection for partner sharing. For example, if one person with a penis and there's multiple people with anus or vaginas and they want to be able to go back and forth, all the receivers can wear this and be covered without having to worry about changing out in between. Now the way we use it is this ring gets pinched and inserted. The ring part then lands up inside the vagina or the anus. What we now have is it hanging out and it's open. This is where the penis enters. So when the insertion happens, it goes in here. The only thing to be aware of with the insertable condom is that if you're engaging in vigorous sex and the penis is coming out all the way and going back in, is to be aware and make sure that the penis is still going inside. If this shifts and the penis goes back in down the side of it, it's not doing its job.